So for this video, I will explain about array. Okay, so array you have list. List is a variable holds multiple values in Python. So list is the variable that can store multiple values. So before this, okay, if your variable cannot store multiple values, right? So but for list you can do it, and values are stored in adjacent memories locations and declared using this operator. Okay, so number equal to 2, 3, 1, 8, 6, 7. Okay, so this declare multiple values, and also you can mix data types. You can declare my list. Okay, for example, my list here you can declare it as the one integer. Okay, and then you can declare to string literal and the floating number. So memory layout, you can see that the definition of my list, okay, 87, 8, 10 and 11. So for the elements, this is the first element, second element, third element, fourth element and fifth element for the allocations. Okay, and the array terminology, the size of an array is the total number of bytes allocated for its numbers of elements times number of bytes for each element. So for example, for this element, my list is an array of 20 bytes because 4 bytes for each integer we assume. So 4 times 5 equal to 20 bytes. However, for accessing array elements, we use subscript. And subscript is start from 0. So just now you have 5 elements, first, second, third until 5th. But then for the subscript, you start from 0. So you start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you can see this accessing array element. The last element subscript is n minus 1, where n is the number of elements. Means that you have 5 elements. But in subscript, you only from 0 until 4, which is n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, subscript, you need to remember subscript start from 0 to 4. That is important when you want to declare it. So displaying the value of first element, you need to do this. Print first element is my list 0. You use the subscript. Okay, so how you accessing the multiple values is my list 80, 7, 8, 10, 11. And then the subscript is 0 for 80, 1 for 7, 2 for 8, 3 for 10 and 4 for 11. So displaying value for the first element. Okay, you can see that the print first to third elements are my list 0 to 3. Remember, this 3 will never reach. That's why if you want to print the first 3 elements is subscript 0, 1 and 2. That's why you put from the start 0 to the end of 3 but never reach 3. Means it will go to 0, 1 and 2. Okay, and add new number for the selected elements. You can put my list 0, 79. Okay, when you want to declare the new number for the 0. Operation between arrays. So you can also use it for the sum. Let's say you want to put sum, my list from the third element and the fourth element, you need to put 2 and 3 because for the third element the subscript is 2 and for the fourth element the subscript is 3. Okay, then you can print my list also. So this is the example program. You can see program print my list 87, 8, 10 and 11. So print first elements, you want to print 0 to 3. Okay, then it will show you the first 3 elements is 80, 7 and 8. Because it's 80 is 0, 1, 2 for the subscript. So it will print the 3. And sum equal to my list 2 plus my list 3. Means here you can see you run the my list 2 here means 0, 1, 2, 8 plus 10. Means is 18. Okay. So you print the sum, it will show you the sum. This one you generate the formula to calculate. So let me show you the coding also. So this is in the program, then you run. Okay, you can see that you will get the answer. Okay, so this is it, and then you can try at home and then you try to type other declarations just like in the slide, like how I do this or example. You can try it at home and practice it. Okay, see you. Bye bye.